guys, welcome back to my channel. For anyone new here, my name is Alana, and in today's video we are going to be talking about hair health. Back in April this year, I posted this picture on my Instagram stories showing you how thin the front of my hair had gotten, especially on one side. And I also posted this picture showing you how broken my hair was at the front. I had little bits that were really badly broken off, and I basically put it out on Instagram. I need advice on how I can restore this broken hair and how to thicken out the front of my hair. Last night, I posted this story on my Instagram and showed you how much my hair had thickened out on that side, and it has only been 3 months. I also posted this story showing you how much my little broken pieces of hair had grown, and again, just 3 months. This video is not sponsored by anyone. Any of the products I'm talking about is not sponsored. This is just me sharing with you how I got my hair to thicken out and restore the brokenness and grow within just 3 months. And guys, I want to make this super clear. My hair is the slowest growing hair you will ever meet. So for my hair to grow this quick in 3 months, it's a genuine miracle. So naturally, I got a lot of DMs of people going, what did you do? What are you doing differently? Fill us in. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna make a video and I'm gonna share with you my 5-step process on how I got my hair to grow back. And guys, I'm actually gonna start a little hair health series. So if that is something that you're interested in, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you have any additional tips to add to what has helped you get your hair back to good health, please comment below, because I know that I would love to hear them, and probably everyone else watching this video would love to hear them. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So guys, I'm just gonna really quickly explain how my hair got to this broken state. 2 years ago, whenever I decided to balayage my hair, I was very nervous about it, but the reason why I balayaged it is because I had really bad greys and the dark brown just wasn't working for those greys anymore. I decided to add some blonde into it. It was fine. Following year, I got the balayage topped up, but I just got the front bits done. And whenever the girl done it, they were quite yellow, and we know that I'm not into the yellow look. So about 6 weeks later, I went to another hairdresser's and I got a full head of balayage done. But what happened was she obviously re-bleached the front bits that had already been bleached just 6 weeks previous, and my hair snapped and broke off. I got my hair re-balayaged again, just Christmas gone, and I walked out of the hairdresser's and it was just broken to bits. The balayage, perfection, but my hair health was just like, it was in the gutter, okay? So I was like, that is it. Like, I need to sort this out. A little tip there, don't re-bleach your hair very close together. Wait months, okay? Months, because you'll end up with broken hair too. So guys, the first step on my hair health journey and restoring the brokenness. Whenever I uploaded the picture on Instagram showing my broken hair, of course I was inundated with messages about rosemary oil, which has taken over the internet by a storm. But guys, okay, I've got a few little points to put on this, really important points. First of all, this stuff actually works. I just thought TikTok and Instagram, I'm always a little bit skeptical. I'm like, is this just like some trend that everyone's jumping on to get views? No, this actually works. So 2 things in this point that's really important. First of all, you need to make sure you get the right one, because I actually ordered the wrong one to begin with. I ordered this one, I'll pop up a picture, and you actually have to put a carrier oil in that, because I think it's like pure rosemary oil, and I just wouldn't, like, I don't want to do anything that's really hard work. Then about this one, the Nature Spell one, that has a carrier oil in it, so you just add this directly to your scalp. Put it onto my fingers, rub it in, and then rub it all throughout my scalp, and I paid a lot of attention to the front bits of my hair where it was broken. You can actually see on this side little baby hairs that are all starting to grow back. That is from using this. A lot of people use this little like brush to massage in. I never use it. I think I've used it like 3 times because I always forget about it. So I just use the pads of my fingers. You don't want to use your fingernails, because that's actually really bad for your hair and your scalp using your fingernails. You want to use the pads of your little fingers just to massage it in, okay? Now you're gonna ask, how often do I do that? I only do that once a week, because I do it before I wash my hair, because You cannot put this stuff in your hair and not wash it out, otherwise you will have a major grease ball on your hands. Step number 2, hair oil. Okay, I switched up my hair oil. Hit the bullet, and I invested in the Olaplex. Number 7, bonding oil. Okay, guys, this is so like ridiculously expensive for such a small little bottle, like 30 ml. Like, it pained me to pay for this, but it's good. Now, I know that there's a massive hype with K18, but personally, I've used K18 in my hair and that did not help prevent my hair from breaking. Whenever I got my hair dyed blonde the year before and I was using Olaplex, my hair did not break. Personally, my hair works best with Olaplex, and everyone's hair is differently. Like, I'm not saying the K18 isn't good, it's probably really good, but personally for my type of hair, I think the Olaplex works better. So you need to figure out what works good for your hair, but like, I just can't really see this going wrong on anyone's hair. This is just really, really good. Sealing your hair, giving it strength, preventing it from breaking. Like, I had so much breakage in the front of my hair that I needed to get a good oil that I knew was going to prevent it from breaking more. Now, I have been using a combination of this oil. Sorry, this is a bit overwhelming. Moroccan oil. I bought just the little teeny tiny size, and also the hair secret oil. Now, let me explain why there's 3 different oils. Okay, whenever I have my hair naturally curly and therefore it's very coarse and very dry, I will use this oil. It's absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for organic and natural and small business, invest in this oil. It is very, very good, and especially if you've got curly, coarse, thick hair, my hair just soaks this up and loves it. Now, if I styled my hair, that is when I use the Moroccan oil, because it isn't as heavy as this on my hair. This makes my hair less greasy. And then at night time, every single night before bed, that is when I put in the Olaplex. I just put like 2 little like dabs on my hand, run it through and all through my hair, and I pay particular attention to the front bits where it's broken. So I actually like pull the oil down my hair. And you're gonna ask, does that not make your hair greasy? But because I'm sleeping on my hair just soaks it all up, and no, it does not make it greasy. By the time I wake up the next morning, my hair has fully hydrated with it and the grease is gone. So guys, step number 3 is hair vitamins, okay? And I know that that's a little bit of a controversial subject here on the internet. Not a lot of people actually believe that they work. However, I've been using these hairburst vitamins now for coming up to 6 months. And I really believe that these are a contributing factor on my hair growing. Even the length of it has just grown a little bit quicker than what it normally does, because like I said, my hair is slow growing. I just want to make it clear that I am not sponsored with Hairburst. I'm not affiliated with Hairburst. This has nothing to do with them. I purchased these with my own money. Yeah, end of. To save the planet, go for the vegan ones. You take 2 of these a day, and yeah, that's just the end of the story. These have just helped my hair grow. So guys, step number 4 is probably gonna come as no surprise, and I know that this is something that people probably don't want to hear, because people don't want to have to not do this, but that is not dyeing or bleaching your hair, okay? So right now, like, my hair, it looks a bit of a mess. Like, the balayage is completely grown out, it's looking a little bit yellow, it's looking grown out, it's not looking great, like, I know that. But me personally, I'm like, I would rather have better hair health than my hair look better, like, visually, if that makes any sense. So I decided, whenever I last dyed my hair of December last year, that was it. I'm not dyeing my hair now for a full year. I know that if I bleach my hair right now, it's just gonna reverse all the hard work that I have put into now. So I know that's not a step that people want to hear, but that is one of the steps that I've taken. You can take it or leave it. But personally, if I was you, I would take it. Just lay off the bleach and the dyeing for a bit of time. Okay, so guys, step number 5. There's a few little points within this step, so just hear me out on this one. But kind of as a roundup is that I embraced my natural hair, okay? And what I mean by that is that the more that you style your hair, the more damage it is going to do to your hair, regardless of what tools you're using, what products you're using. Just putting loads of crap on your hair and styling it just is not going to help it in the long run. So I realized that in order for my hair to grow and to prevent more breakage, that I needed to lay off styling it completely. And that meant embracing my natural hair. Now, this is my natural hair, okay? It is hybrid, it is frizzy, it is wavy, it is curly, it is massive. But guys, I have decided to go on a curly hair journey. That is for a different video, not this one. And just try and embrace my curls and my natural hair as much as possible. And that has meant wearing my hair up a lot like this, but it actually looks really, really cute. It's very in right now. So I'm just actually gonna break down my routine for this step so that you understand what I do, okay? The first thing is I only wash my hair once per week. And if you're watching this video and you wash your hair every day or every other day, getting your hair back to good health is going to be very, very difficult because you're putting loads of product on it. You're every time that you're washing it, you're probably styling it. That is just not good for your hair. You need to try and train your hair so you're washing it as little as possible. And guys, this is actually the first time that I've revealed this over my channel, but I actually have my hair wash training course coming out this summer. So I actually have a date. I'm not releasing the date right now, but my date is in my mind. I am working towards it. It will be out this summer. There is a link in the description where you can sign up to the mailing list to be the first to hear about it. Like I said, I wash my hair once a week, and what I've done for the past 3 months is I have 2 weeks where I just embrace my natural hair. So I wash it, I dry it with the hair dryer, and then I leave it. That is it for a full week. No product, no styling, no brushing, no nothing. Of course, I put my hair oils on it because I need to keep it hydrated, but that is the only product that I put on it during the week. Oops, sorry. I do 2 weeks of that, and then on the 3rd week, I will style it because I want to have like a week of not having crazy hybrid hair. So I will have a week then where I will style it, but I will just style it the once. So once I wash my hair, I will choose a hairstyle that I know is going to stay in the whole week and I'm not going to top it up. The more that you're styling your hair, regardless of how good your tools are, the more that is just going to add to the breakage and the unhealthiness. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video. I am going to be bringing out another video on how to prevent hair breakage because I have gone through this journey and I've actually been able to look back at some of the things that I could have done differently that would have prevented it, that I haven't mentioned in this video, but also things that I know have really prevented my hair from breaking even more. We'll be bringing out that video soon. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more, and please comment below in this video if there's any points that I didn't cover and you're like, do you know what, Alana, I did this and this really helped. I want to hear it. Everyone else wants to hear it. Comment below. So guys, have a great day and I will see you next time.